welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica, and today we're going to be chatting about the Rizos Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. If you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, you got this Refresh and Detangle Spray from Rizos Curls in your December 2023 Curls Monthly mailer. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curly hair products to your doorstep so you can try them yourself. And then I make these fun educational videos for you to know what the heck you received. So if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello, make sure you say hi to me in the comments below. And yeah, we're going to be chatting through the Rizos Curl Refresh and Detangle Spray. We're also going to be chatting about 3 ways to make your curls last without washing them. I know for me, before I understood curls, I would get my hair wet every single day almost. And I never really had a day 2 hair. I never really refreshed my hair. I would just re-wet it and style it every day, which number 1 is really bad for your hair and number 2 is really exhausting. So we're going to get into how to eliminate that in your life and use great products like this instead. So just some fast facts about this product. I absolutely love this refresh spray. I use it very often. This is probably the 4th bottle I've gone through, so goes to show. The great thing is about this spray is that it's not only a refresh spray, it's also a detangling spray. So it's gonna be a great option if you have fine hair and you want to skip a regular conditioner in the shower and you want to detangle with a lighter weight alternative to a conditioner. So this is a great product to help you detangle your hair. Also a great product if you have matting under your hair in the morning. A great way that you can just easily get that right out of there. Definitely going to provide frizz control, and it just makes your hair more manageable. It's protein free. It's so great for dry, specifically hair, and it just instantly adds shine and happiness to curls. I really can't say enough good things about this product. I'm definitely gonna say that it's best for dry and frizzy hair that lacks shine, thick hair, coarse hair. It's just gonna be better for those hair types. Now again, if you don't have those hair types, definitely recommend using it anyway and seeing how it works for you, because a lot of times it's really just personal preference. But maybe fine hair or hair that gets easily greasy should more so use it as a detangling product instead of a refresh product. So there's multiple uses of how you can use this product, because there's 2 uses. You can detangle and refresh. If you're going to detangle, basically you would use this either before you shampoo. You could use it before you get in the shower if you prefer to detangle your hair dry. Basically, you should never detangle your hair completely dry. You always want to have something on it. So something like this would be a great lubricant for your hair, so it's not going to snag on your brush. It's going to have a lot more buoyancy and bounce to it, just for less breakage while you're detangling. Another way to use it for detangling is to use it in the shower after you shampoo, like I said earlier, in place of your conditioner. And that would just be a great way, especially for fine-haired people, to get their detangling in, but not be so weighed down by the heaviness of conditioner. Now, if you want to use it to refresh your curls, which is the primary use I use it for, basically in the morning, all you do is spray it on the areas that need it. Sometimes I'll section off my hair a little bit just to get the underneath areas, and then I'll literally just glide the product through my curls, and then maybe scrunch it in a little bit. But the gliding of the product through your curls is sort of how the product can smooth into your cuticles, and really what makes it work. Now, I really want to look at the ingredients inside of this, because I've been using this product for a long time, and I use it all the time, and I didn't ever really do a deep dive on the ingredients. But as I was doing a deep dive on the ingredients, I was so excited because there were so many things. I was like, oh, that makes sense. That's why I like it. This product has actual gel holding ingredients to it, so it's really going to refresh your style and actually add extra hold, which adds extra definition and just helps with longevity to your hair. So I was so thrilled to see that, and I was like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's why I love this product. So looking at the ingredients, first of all, we have water. Then after that, we have capric triglyceride. That actually creates a barrier around the hair's surface that eliminates moisture loss over time. Then we have benzotronium chloride. That's going to help smooth your hair's cuticle, which reduces frizz. Then we have coconut oil, which definitely helps heal damaged hair and is just great for hydrating brittle hair. Then we have cetearyl alcohol, which is one of my favorite moisturizing ingredients. Then after that, we have 3 film-forming gel ingredients in a row. So we have the polythyrene 14, AMP copolymer, and PVP. All of those are products that physically hold your hair in place. So those are gel ingredients. This is a spray product, so you're not going to get that super strong hold gel feeling when you use it. You might get a little bit of a crunch, but I kind of like the little bit of a crunch that gives me because it makes my hair stay. Very, 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 very slightly. But that, again, is why I love this product. I never really see those types of ingredients inside of Refresh products. I always knew I liked this product, never really dove into the ingredients. And after I dove into the ingredients, I saw, wow, that is why I like that product. Then we have trehalose, which again, just adds a barrier around the hair. Then we have glycerin, which is great for moisture. Stearyl alcohol, great for moisture. Olive fruit oil, which smooths your hair cuticle and just makes your hair soft and manageable. Shea butter, which is one of the juiciest moisturizing agents. So this is definitely a moisturizing product. We have other moisturizing ingredients in it like aloe vera leaf juice and hops extract, nettle bark extract. These are all some of my favorite juicy moisturizing ingredients. So highly recommend, really couldn't say enough good things about this product. So let's chat about some ways that I'm able to really only wash my hair once, maybe twice a week, and still have pretty great curl days most of those days. So the first thing that I do that I'm definitely going to suggest for you to do is to make sure that you're sleeping on satin or silk of some sort. So that could be a satin pillowcase, that could be tying your hair to the top of your head in a pineapple with a satin scrunchie, that could be using a satin scarf over your hair at night, or using a satin or silk bonnet over your hair at night. I used to think that these like satin products at night were like stupid and BS, but as soon as I started using them, it's one of the few things that I did to my curls where I immediately saw results, like within a week. Just the shine to my hair got longer than it ever did before, so I really could not recommend that enough. And of course, it makes your hair just last days and days without getting frizzy. Another great tip to make your curls last longer is to use stronghold gels on your curly wash days. So like I said, this has some stronghold gels ingredients in it. This is not a stronghold gel, but you're gonna wanna look for gels that either on the front of the bottle say stronghold, or on the back they have ingredients like PVP, like I discussed, that's in here, to really make sure that your hair lasts a long time. And then the third thing, of course, is to use a refresh spray so you're not having to get in the shower. This is a great refresh spray. I really cannot recommend it anymore. Like I said, it's one of my 2 favorites ever. I pull it all the time. And I'm thrilled that it's in this month's Curls Monthly. It makes me so excited. I have actually gifted this refresh spray to a few friends and I've gotten raving reviews back. So it's so exciting to hear those fun things back and know that I'm not crazy for loving this product so much. That is all I have for today. If this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Let me know below how you like this refreshing spray and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you next time.